Welcome to Thumbnail Hacks. This week we're going to be doing a quick video on making a thumbnail for a live presentation, and we have less than 30 minutes to do it. First, we've got to get me out of the way here. Do that quickly. I'm using Vento, which is my favorite screen recording platform. This is what we did last week, which was basically cleaning up. Now, we're not doing this in Thumbnail Hacks, so we have to go away from there, and we're going to be going to Cook, which is up. Let's see. All right, Cook border. There's Cook border. We take away hacks. Got 90% done. I'm there. We're not doing cleaning this week, so let's see if we can just change that. Get down here. Coffee. Words. I think you have to change the words to change the... I learned more things about photopea as I go along. Cook. Coffee. To move that. Now that doesn't look much like coffee, does it? So for backgrounds, now we're going to go to another platform, which is my Yay Images coffee shop. See what we got. Now here's some cooking coffee right there. That's not too bad. Beans, lots of beans. Coffee time. Don't want that. All right. Seeing as we're running short on time, let's see if the coffee shop. I'm going to download one of these right away because that one looks good. It's got people in it. I think that's the one for now. And maybe this one. So we got to go here to download it. Download the original size. It's a JPEG, so it shouldn't be too hard to bring in. That looks nice. Come back. And down here, not quite. All right, let's try adding a little bit more coffee, and we'll have all tiers, all images. Let's go for orientation, landscape. We'll narrow this down a little bit. Landscape. People, let's put one person in at least. There. That looks good. I like that one. All right. Download that one too. Now with this one, I would flip it around. I'm glad that there's no text in the picture because that would be something to deal with. I don't like having reverse text. I think that's sloppy myself. Everybody to each their own though. Cooking coffee, drinking coffee. Now this one kind of looks good too, although the coffee's not big enough. If I had more time, what I would do is take that cup and make it twice as big. And I still might do that. All right, coffee, cooking. Cook coffee. This one's about twice that size. That one kind of looks like me a couple years ago. Comical, that's fun. That's kind of nice. We're just going through, looking as fast as we can here. Back to photopea. File, open in place. We'll bring whatever we want in there. And let's do it with a couple of these because I did actually download a couple. And so there's 3 that we're going to hopefully get over here. 1, 2, 3. Now it's just a question of making up our minds. Hold the control key down so I can pull and resize easily the picture. And as long as these little white tabs are outside of the frame, I know that that coffee's in there. Kind of interesting there. And we might take away cooked coffee because I think what we're going to do here is just coffee. I like that better. And we can just make it a little bit bigger. Bring it off the frame a little bit. Hold the control down, drag it, and resize the. See, holding the control key, I can do some more manipulation on this. Just make it kind of wild and crazy here. Maybe even go to the one that has me in it. And me a little bit smaller at the point there. That looks like fun. Coffee. There's one. Let's see what this one is. Come back down to that one. I still have to learn the way to flip horizontally. If anybody has that, let me know. I just drag over like that. That's how I'm doing it. I'm sure it's probably wrong for photopea, but it's working for me. Oh, wow, I even point to the same thing. But with her, I would move coffee down. Let's see, can we do that? Nope, not yet. All right, so cook, come back up to that layer, and then I have it down here like that. Coffee. Well, let's download them. File, export as PNG, save. Want to make sure that it's below 2 megabytes, which it is. Move this back up to where it was. Go back here. Coffee, where are we going to move it now? Kind of like that. Maybe have it coming off on both these sides. Coffee. File, export. Export as PNG. Photopea is an online photo editor, much like Photoshop, I think is also online. Coffee, I like that. Let's see if we can just flip her around though. We're going to make a duplicate layer just in case, because it might be good just the way it is. Oh, we're pixelating. I don't like that. Sometimes with photopea, it'll pixelate and then resolve later on. See how it's resolving? And then we have the other one, which we're going to flip. Always make sure you have enough room to do the flip. Does that look like coffee? It does, kind of. I don't like it. All right, which one do we like the most? All right, coffee, come back down. We're going to open up the ones that we downloaded and take a look. We downloaded this one and this one. Open. That one's nice, except we have the title way in an awkward position. I wanted to have people in there, but I think we're going to go with this one. And there you have it. Quick way to make a thumbnail for a YouTube Live.